Hello chess friends, here Chess Hero. I'm playing 5-0 games um, on the chess, so here we have Sicilian. I'm opting for Sicilian Dragon. It's my favorite opening. I also play some Caro-Kann on e4 and Pirc defense, but this is the most enjoyable for me. So let's see, bishop e6, bishop d7, a6. That's are the ones. So I'm not familiar with early knight b3 move in classical Sicilian. Okay, f4, bishop f probably yes, and a6. So d7, h5, knight g4 is option. So let's play it. b5, b4 is the option. Queen c7. Let's see. b5, b4, queen a5. Okay. I need some space, of course. I don't want to be on the last rank with my queen all the game. So this gives me some activity and fifth row coverage. That knight is hanging, so let's see. For the moment. Knight takes, queen takes, b3. Oh, I didn't see this. He's taking my good bishop, but I have in-betweener. Bishop b5. I'm attacking queen, and I don't know, the rook is hanging on c8 and on the f1. But first, okay, let's take this knight. He takes on c8 probably. I could have played rook b8, hoping to take on b6, but then my knight is gone. Do I have in-betweener? Okay, that knight is hanging, so I don't mind it. If I play knight c5, he can take with bishop, because my queen is pinned. The pawn on d6 is pinned to queen, so he takes on e7 probably. Check. Okay, and then takes the bishop, and then I play knight c5, and I have 3 pieces, and he has only 2, and I'm piece up. So that's great. Mr. Pendrek. So I don't know the English word for that. In Baltic countries, that's the thing policemen use. The stick that police, I don't know what's the name in English. So I miscalculated. He will save his knight. Okay. I miscalculated. Let's see. That knight or b3 knight. b3, he takes with c2 because c2 is hanging, and knight d7 attacking b2, knight c5. Okay, let's see. Move this so I can see time. We are even on time. Time is not the problem yet. I put it on b8 because on b7 he has e5. So, and then he can take on d6. But unfortunately, this might not be the best idea. But I'm getting my pawn back. I'm getting back. I'll be back. Let's see. This bishop is great. His rook is restricted. Knight c5 is coming, and then he takes. I take with the pawn, and I have on d4 check. f4 will be hanging if he takes my knight on c5. Rook d8 is coming. He must try f5, I think. a4. But now I can pin it. Now I can pin it. And after e5 I have bishop d4 check, and that's attack on queen. So yes. So I have under control everything except my battery. Always low on battery. So thank you very much, Pendrek. Of course I want a new game, but then the video will be too long. So first I'm going to end the video. Thank you very much for watching.